Alright, for this video I'm going to do an example of the global variables and equations in an assembly. So we have this simple assembly here, and I have simply just gone to annotations and did display show feature dimensions for these dimensions of the width here, the spacing here, and the height of the can. So if we want to do an equation or global variables, we simply go to our tools, go to equations, and select this feature. This will give us our equation dialog. So we have the equation dialog box here. We click it, we say manage equations. I have height. I have clicked in and put 170. We need to change that to 150. Okay, and then we have a width here. We have selected this dimension here, and we're going to just say, well, we want that dimension plus 2 millimeters. Okay, and it'll give us our evaluated value here. Okay, there we go, and then we can say okay. Syntax error. Okay, there we go. It saved it. So we can go and we can select this twice. We'll have this limit come up, and we simply hit equal global variable, and we want to change it to the height. Here we go. The limit is now that height. Now we can double check in this feature here in our dimension box, and our global variable symbol comes up. We can do the same here. Double click. Equal global variable width, and that will give us that number for that value. There we go. That's global variables and equations in an assembly.